Good morning. I need to speak with the manager.
Good morning. I'm the manager. How can I help you today?
I bought a pack of cookies from your store last week, and when I opened it, I found it was stale. I need a replacement or a refund.
I'm sorry to hear about that. Do you have the receipt with you?
No, unfortunately, I lost the receipt. But I'm sure I bought it from here. I shop here all the time.
I understand. Without a receipt, it's a bit difficult to verify the purchase. Are you certain it was from our store?
Yes, I am positive. Your store is the only one around here where I buy groceries.
Okay, can you show me the package?
Here it is. As you can see, the expiration date is still valid.
I see. But the label on this package does not match the ones we usually stock. Are you absolutely sure this was purchased from our store?
Yes, absolutely. I bought it last week from one of your shelves.
I'm sorry, but I have to be certain. This product does not appear to be one we carry. It might be from another store.
No, it's definitely from here. Maybe there was a mistake in stocking.
I don't think so. Our inventory system is pretty accurate, and I don't recall seeing this brand on our orders. Without a receipt, it's really hard to verify.
This is unacceptable. I shop here regularly, and now I am being told that you would not replace a faulty product.
I understand your frustration, but I need to follow store policy. Without proof of purchase, I can't confirm this was bought here.
I am going to file a complaint with the food authority if this is not resolved.
I understand. Please wait a moment while I consult with my team. Thank you for waiting. Given the situation and your regular patronage, I have decided to replace the product for you. However, I must reiterate that this product is not something we sell here.
Thank you. I appreciate the replacement, but I still believe it was bought here.
We will look into this matter further to ensure there are no mistakes in our stocking process. Here's your replacement.
Thanks. I hope this does not happen again.
We will do our best to ensure it does not. Thank you for bringing this to our attention, and I apologize for any inconvenience.
Actually, I have one more concern. If this happens again, what should I do?
If you ever encounter an issue like this again, please come directly to me. Even better, try to keep the receipt. It really helps in resolving matters quickly.
I will definitely keep that in mind. Thank you for your assistance today.
You are welcome. We value your business and want to ensure you are satisfied with our service.
Just out of curiosity, what happens if the food authority gets involved?
If the food authority gets involved, they would investigate the matter thoroughly. They might inspect our inventory and records, and if we were found at fault, we would have to comply with their directives. It's in everyone's best interest to resolve issues before it reaches that point.
That makes sense. I hope we don't have to go that route again.
Me too. We aim to provide the best service and products to our customers.
I appreciate that. One last thing. How do you handle complaints from other customers? Is there a formal process?
Yes, we do have a formal process. Customers can fill out a complaint form, and we review each case individually. We try to resolve complaints within a few days. If the complaint is about a product, we often replace it or offer a refund after verification.
That's good to know. I feel more reassured now.
I'm glad to hear that. Your feedback helps us improve. If you ever have any concerns, don't hesitate to bring them to our attention.
Thank you. I appreciate your help today.
You are welcome. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Excuse me. I just found my wallet and the receipt. It turns out you were right. The product was not from your store.
Oh, I see. Let me take a look at the receipt. Yes, this is from a different store. Thank you for bringing this back.
I'm really sorry about the confusion. The stores have such similar layouts outside that I got mixed up. I apologize for the inconvenience.
No problem at all. Mistakes happen. I appreciate you coming back to clear this up.
I insist on paying for the replacement product you gave me earlier. It was my mistake.
That's very considerate of you. Let me ring that up for you. Here you go. Thank you for your honesty.
Thank you for understanding. I will be more careful next time.
It's all good. If you ever need anything, we are here to help.
I appreciate that. Have a great day.
You too. Take care.